Ladies and gentlemen, and especially our women and girls in ICT, I extend special greetings to you all as we join some 166 countries worldwide in celebrating International Girls in ICT Day. This initiative, spearheaded by the International Telecommunications Union, aims to create a global environment that empowers and encourages girls and young women to consider careers in the growing field of ICTs. Further, the aim is to enable both girls and technology companies to reap the benefits of greater female participation in the ICT sector. In Jamaica, we are celebrating Girls in ICT Day with a Caribbean hackathon at the Mona Visitors Lodge, UWI. However, much more needs to be done. In this regard, our agency, the Universal Service Fund, ably led by the visionary Miss Suzette Buchanan, is now training 1,000 young persons in ICT. Of this number, approximately 60%, or 600, are young women. Under the initiative dubbed the Technology Advancement Program, young women aged 18 to 35 will become more digitally literate and learn about digitization, data collection, and processing. Along with their male counterparts, these ladies will also assist the government in streamlining its processes using technology as part of the work experience component of TAP. This program is our way of ensuring that our young women are not left behind as we move towards the creation of a more inclusive knowledge-based society. We also, through the Universal Service Fund, provide an annual ICT scholarship to help aspiring women to be gainfully employed within the ICT sector and realize their dreams. As we celebrate Girls in ICT Day, we want to see more of our girls and young women being included in cybersecurity. Currently, we have the Cyber Incident Response Team, headed by Dr. Monifa Yulin, a stalwart within the field. Globally, the proportion of women in information security is lower than is found in other ICT professions. Currently at 11% in 2017, compared to 26% in all ICT professions worldwide. We must change that situation. Finally, every effort must be made to remove the gender imbalance in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. In the future, our companies will not be able to compete effectively on the national and international stage without sufficient numbers of STEM-skilled professionals. Together, industry, government, parents, and teachers must act now to ensure the gender gap barrier is removed and that the future progress of our girls and young women is not hindered. As Minister, I am committed to removing these barriers and to ensuring a more inclusive environment for all Jamaicans. This ministry is already leading the charge by ensuring qualified, dynamic, and committed women are meaningfully engaged in leadership roles within its ICT portfolio. Ladies such as our Permanent Secretary, Ms. Hilary Alexander, Managing Director of the Spectrum Management Authority, Mrs. Maria Myers-Hamilton, Chief Technical Director, Ms. Joaquin Murray, Principal Director, Ms. Kadeen Smith-Newton, and as already mentioned, Ms. Suzette Buchanan and Dr. Monifa Yulin. I also salute all the dedicated ladies working assiduously within the ministry's ICT portfolio and throughout the wider sector. You are blazing a trail for the girls and young ladies of this country to follow. Let me take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Girls in ICT Day, and I look forward to hearing the success reports that will emerge from this year's staging.